Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. We are in episode 3 of Doll Mail. And as always, I have two lovely packages waiting. So let's open the big one and get right into it. So first we have G3 Nephra. Now I was struggling to find her in Australia. So I ended up just ordering her from Amazon UK. Now, I'm a bit mad that they shipped it just in a bag. Like, she's a bit done up. Like, I'm not going to keep her in box. But, like, why would they do it in a bag? So yeah, I got Nephra. She wonky? No, she's good. So yeah, got Nephra, and then I got Going Out Sasha. So Sasha dolls are really hard to find in Australia because just everywhere's racist, so they never stock her, which is annoying because I love Sasha. She's so pretty. So yeah, I got Going Out Sasha. That was in that package. Let's move on to the next one. And in that one, we got Maddie Hatter. She's messed up and she kind of stinks. But she almost came with everything. She's just missing her brush and her ring. And then I have no idea what this little thing is for. Something. Like, I thought it would go on her hand, but no. So I don't know what that is. I got it for free, so yay. So let's unbox these two and then we'll clean these two up. Three up, yes. Here they are, ready to go, so let's clean them all up. She is rough, so I'm very excited to see how she turns out. So let's change scene and go clean them up. So it's just basic stuff that we're gonna get into. Let's start off with the worst one, because what the fuck is that? So yeah, just simple wash and condition. Maybe glue treatment. See how her hair feels once we do all this stuff. Her hair still feels a bit gross, so I am going to do a glue removal treatment. So I'm just gonna let her sit whilst I do the other ones. She's so pretty. Work. So Maddie's hair is probably good to go now, so we'll continue on with her. She looks way better now. So I probably won't boil wash her just because I kind of want to keep her curls. So hopefully they don't look too bad once she dries. Same with Sasha. Like, I wish her curls were a bit more, but what can you do? Like, look at that. They're basically all gone. Like, I love nylon, but it is horrible for holding curls in. So hopefully she still looks good. I mean, it's Sasha. Of course she's gonna look good. Now they're all done, let's fix up their hair and put them back in their outfits. And here we are. They all turned out pretty good. Unfortunately, I did have to boil wash Maddie because her hair was too frizzy when it was drying. So she kind of lost a bit of character. She kind of looks boring without her curls. So I'll have to perfect curling hair and fix her up. But the other two turned out really good. Sasha's curls came back, well, only just the ones at the bottom, but still beautiful. So I'm very happy to have these ones in my collection. Now, of course, I have to try and find room for them, but it is well worth it. So if you guys enjoyed this one, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.